Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the head, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome for the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has two thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling yay high in the sky. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? Look at him, yo. Oh, also I lasso the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you